I'm going to introduce about myself. I'm Swati. I have 5 years experience in the planning and designing field of the irrigation schemes. Okay, first of all, we know the what is the planning and designing field and what are the softwares we are using. First of all, we are why this course is chosen. First of all, the objective of the project is to increase the production of agriculture. That means the growing the crops and improve the living standards of the farmers in the project area by constructing the pressurized irrigation or by gravity irrigation, where there the pressurized irrigation used and also gravity used. That means the pressurized means the where the electricity is produced, there will be provided pressurized irrigation. Gravity is the tap connection, like that. It is the easy flow of the without economical way. Best example is economical way. Water resource efficiently and ensure water supply to the designed command area. What are the courses? We know that first of all, introduction where there is the more crops, for example summer have the less water compared to the rainy and winter season. There will be the equal year crop. That means the summer has the same crops and also compared to the rainy season. That will be the using the irrigation sector. What how did you plan for the CCA means the a chalk command area. Chalk is nothing but the only our surveying area is distributed number of parts, that is called the chalks. Outlet management system is in the sense of every chalk is subdivided to the only single outlet. That means the some main pipe to connected to the sub pipe to divided into the single OMS. Block command area. Block command area means what are the area is surveyed in the eye cut is shown in the map. That is the complete map with survey numbers is called the block command map. Command boundary of Google image. That means the entire project is shown in the only that means the survey people give the some data, some errors also there. Hence we find out the errors in the compared to the Google image. Everything available in the Google image, like ponds, rivers, trees, fences, houses, nalas, roads, like that, all are shown in the Google image. Compared to the we compare the Google image to particular drawing. Close-up view is the entire drawing. Typical layout of the every chalk. First of all, there is some eye cut, 2000 eye cut, 3000 eye cut. There will be every 2000 eye cut divided into the 20-hectare chalk. Chalk is nothing but the area, closed area. 20 hectare to divided into the 2.5 hectare chalk. Total chalk planning and alignment of the Google image. That means the entire project is chalk planning Google image superimposed into the Google map. And so where there is the obstructions like that should be avoided, must and should be avoided. For example, why should the avoided? That means the first of all, first of all, why should the evaded? Why should the evaded? That means the once upon a time we lay the pipe in the bottom top of the house. Why? So these recommendations are not considered. Total chalk planning and alignment of the Google image. Okay. Next, village wise area statement. Every village wise I cut. First of all, we lot of merged areas like that. That means the 2 or 3. For example, A village, B village, C village, to D village, like that. A village merged A village, how much area is available to I cut is called village wise I cut statement. Okay, zone wise area statements. That means the zone wise area statement ka each area is divided to the zone wise separate zones like that. Abstract outlet wise area and discharge statement. That means what is the abstract? Abstract is the total how much area comes, and discharge how much flow will be available. That is the abstract, given like a small abstract like that. Outlet wise area discharge statement. Outlet wise how much area surveyed, how much discharge surveyed, like that. Chalk wise ROR statement. Random area statement. That means the um, without two abstractions. That means the houses deducted from the total high cut. That means the 3 hectares high cut. There will be only surveyed 2.5 hectare. That means the 0.5 hectare abstractions available. Hence, these recommendations are removed. Finally, length statement, hydraulic calculation. These hydraulic calculations is the must and should. It's very important. Why? Because very important. A hydraulic calculation to find out the how much discharge available, how much area surveyed, like that. Finally, total output will be shown in the schematic diagram. Easily understand. For example, in site conditions, there will be surveyors easily understanding purpose schematic diagram is used. Key plan, how to draw the key plan. Block command map in the sense total I cut map. Index map with survey numbers. Execution drawing, each and every output will be shown in the execution drawing. Okay, what are the we learn in the training? What are the we know the first of all, why do you conduct the survey? Why do you conduct the survey? Why? It is the first. Why do we conduct the survey? Without survey, we don't know, understand the what is the area I cut, how it considered. First of all, we do not understand why they are given the surveys, they are given the lot of drawings, but they are some mistakes, errors like that available. So first of all, we survey the up and downs, high patch, low patch. That means the higher elevation, lower elevation. Pipe will be first starting from the lower elevation to higher elevation to lower elevation. There are the more abstractions available. How to prepare the alignment planning without abstractions? Without abstractions, it is a must and should. We already discussed about the without abstractions. That means the pipe laid in the top of the building. It is the lot of wastage will be available. Hence, how it explained, that is the first of all, main pipe 1500 dia. Next, DI 1200 dia, MS DI HDPE 200. Once upon a time, it will be the 600 dia top of the floor is the DI is top of the house. We cannot remove the pipe. So particularly surveys the must and should important without abstraction. So 2 or 3 times checked with the Google image. How much eye cut is surveyed? How much eye cut is surveyed? It is the 200 eye cut, 300 eye cut, 500 eye cut without deleting, remove the abstractions to find out the net eye cut. That means the net commanded area. Finalization of eye cut. Total with remove the abstractions to finalize the some amount of eye cut is called finalization of eye cut. Preparation of hydraulic calculation. Hydraulic calculation with time considerations to design the discharge, time, pressure, velocity. These are the most of the important particulars. How it works, the Epanet software to the irrigation. This is the main concept to our tutorial. First of all, this course is mainly based on the Epanet. Epanet is the nothing but the pressurized system for the pipe design. That means the distribution network is running Epanet software. Entire Epanet software designs the to find out the pressure, discharge, like that. Epanet perform extended period of stimulation and behavior of hydraulic network. That means the behavior hydraulic network. That means what are the pipe consideration? Is it the MS or HDA or HDPE? It is the most useful for the economical way to use. Nodes, the network consists of the pipe nodes. Nodes means the junction, pumps, valves, storage tanks, etc. These are the given the inputs. Inputs, so what are the available? That means the pipes, nodes, junctions, valves, storage tanks, etc. For example, Epanet 2 tracks the flow of water in each pipe, pressure at each node. I will show the one example for you. Just wait a moment, it's loading drawing. I will show the drawing. Is it visible to all? Actually, this is the plan. That means in the show, every eye cut is divided into these are the survey numbers. Every eye cut is divided in this like that. This is the 20 hectare chalk. 20 hectare chalk is exactly it cannot draw the 20 hectares. That means the 0.6 plus or minus like that. Okay, each eye cut shown in the like that 1 ms. These are the abstractions. This is the considered as the village shown like that. This is the nala. This is the road. Okay, is it visible? No. Okay. I will show. Is it visible to everyone?
Yes, ma'am, it is visible.
Drawing, is it visible?
Yes, ma'am, it is visible.
Okay. These are the survey numbers. 1003, 1002, 1004, 1005. These are the survey numbers. These are the survey boundaries. This is called the road. Already told that the total eye cut is divided without abstractions. These are the removed like that. Okay. Government area means the offices, government offices like that. These are also evaded. Okay, each eye cut is divided into the 20 hectares chalk. 20 hectares chalk is cannot draw the exact 20 hectares chalk. So hence we provide the 0.6 plus or minus like that. And these are the pond. This is the village shown in the this type of boundaries like that. It should be must and should be avoided. These are the nothing but the houses, shops like that. Okay, next up all. Coming to our production, that means this software developed by the water supply and water resources division of US countries. That means this is the open source software, nothing but the cost also less. So environmental protection agency must and should everyone easily understand and also mostly used for this software for the irrigation sector, and also this software used for the water supply also. Not only irrigation sector, it also useful for the water supply projects also. Nowadays irrigation projects and water supply is the most useful in the private sectors and public sectors also. Epanet 2 consists of the state of art hydraulic analysis with the following capabilities. No limit for the size of pipe. There will be no restriction for the pipe size. That means you are provided 63 dia or you are provided 1200 dia, like that. No restriction. These considerations basically chosen about the velocity and pressure. These are the most important considerations. First of all, how did you work the Epanet software? This is the Epanet software used in the head loss using the Huygens-Williams formula. Comparely based on the Huygens-Williams formula. Minor losses due to the bends and other fittings also included. Okay. Next, operations of the program is very simple and it gives the outputs in the form of nodal pressures and flows. Wait. I will close the drawing. Is it visible? Okay. What are the consideration? Operations of the program also very simple and it gives the output in the form of nodal pressure and flows in each pipe. What is the inputs and outputs? Inputs in the means how much base demand and also length. Length also superimposed from the drawing to Epanet. So no need to enter the length like that. Output will be pressure, diameter, velocity like that. These are the outputs. What are the course output? That means the learn about the flow in pipes using the program on the Epanet. Epanet to how much flow will be available, how much flow in the direction. These are the course outcome. Next is the learn to the prepare work program for irrigation project. How do the work on the irrigation project? How to useful for the Epanet? How much output will be outcome will be available on the irrigation project? Main students learned about the generation of Epanet. Epanet how to generate and how to superimpose it from drawing to Epanet. Each and every line must should not be no need to draw the Epanet. Directly superimpose it from the drawing to Epanet. To understand the prepare and monitoring of the head calculation based on the I cut. Already you most of the people's listen the previous demo, that is the understand how to prepare the head calculations and how much I cut is available like that. Okay, is there any doubts regarding this section or any other doubts regarding this course also? I will give the examples also. Is there any doubts? If any doubts, please enter in the chat box also. I will share my knowledge better. Hello everyone. is one more chance to everyone. Sir, also unmute the everyone so you can ask any doubts. Hello? With the dots we can't understand. Please tell me.
Dear learners, kindly ask the doubts. The expert is waiting. You can ask any doubts. You can do it now.
Is everyone understand?
Ma'am will wait for 2 minutes. And prepare.
Okay, okay. No problem.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, everyone. We'll be hoping to get maximum number of response from the course, and hope you will be joining our Protrainy stream. And That's it for the day. Thank you, ma'am. If you allow, we can end the meeting.
Thank
Hello,
you.
ma'am.
Yeah. Audible. Hello. Hello.